After buying a pressure washer, many users quickly realize the included hose is stiff and hard to manage. Unwinding it feels like a workout. It constantly kinks during use, and storing it is a nightmare. A tool that's meant to save you time ends up wasting it. Yamatic's Ultra Flexible Series pressure washer hose is designed to solve that exact problem. Unlike stiff, frustrating hoses, this one is built for flexibility. It's easier to unroll, more responsive when you move, and won't fight you during use. Just smooth performance from start to finish. And it's not just the gray Ultra Flexible series. Yamatic also offers a vibrant green version. Same unbeatable flexibility, now with a bold look that stands out while you clean. Whether you're cleaning vehicles, driveways, or outdoor equipment, the Ultra Flexible hose makes every task smoother. Equipped with a universal M22 connector, it's compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers on the market. Effortless to coil, easy to store, always ready for the next wash.